In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall EA app on Windows PC. If you no longer use the EA app or you're troubleshooting an issue that requires removing it from your computer, this guide will show you how to uninstall it using the built-in Windows settings. The process is quick, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes. Follow along carefully, and you'll have the EA app removed from your Windows PC in no time. Before you begin, it's a good idea to close the EA app completely if it's currently running. This helps prevent Windows from interrupting the removal process because the application is still active in the background. Once you've confirmed that the app is closed, you're ready to continue. Start by locating the Windows icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click the Windows icon to open the Quick Link menu. From the list of available options, select Apps and Features. Depending on your version of Windows, this option may also appear as Installed Apps, but the process remains essentially the same. After the Apps and Features page opens, you'll see a list of all the applications currently installed on your computer. To make things easier, click the search box near the top of the page and type EA. Windows will automatically filter the list and display applications that match your search. When you see the EA app appear in the results, click on it to reveal additional options. One of those options will be Uninstall. Select Uninstall, and Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the application from your computer. Click Uninstall again to proceed with the removal process. The system will begin uninstalling the EA app. Depending on your computer's performance, this may take a few moments to complete. During the process, avoid closing the settings window or interrupting the removal, as doing so could prevent the app from being removed properly. Once the uninstall process has finished, the EA app will no longer appear in your list of installed applications. At this point, it has been successfully removed from your Windows PC. If your goal is simply to remove the application, you're all set. However, keep in mind that uninstalling the EA app doesn't automatically remove the games associated with your account unless you choose to remove those separately. Your EA account and game library will remain linked to your account, so you can always access them again if you decide to use the EA app in the future. And that's all there is to uninstalling the EA app on a Windows PC. It's a simple process that can be completed directly through Windows settings in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,